In this demonstration screen capture, I'm going to log into the InfinStor service in my Jupyter Lab environment. I'm going to choose some data, and then I'm going to develop a object by object transform. This is the type of transform where the transform function that I write is going to be called for every object present in the chosen storage. Let me log in first. Once logged in, I click on data, InfinSnap or InfinSlice. I'll hit select. I'll choose InfinSnap. When I hit continue, it's going to show me just the current time, which is the snapshot as of now. And I will choose the bucket multilex-1 and the folder temp. It has just one file. Now you can see on the left here that the bucket I've chosen is multilex-1. The time is 10/2/2020, 5:56 p.m. and the path is temp. For developing transforms, I press on transforms, develop, and I browse. It's best to start with a template, and the particular template that I'm going to use is file by file template because I want this transform to be called for every file in the chosen storage. I choose file by file template and then I press the cell button. What this does is injects a Jupyter Lab cell with that particular template in it. As you can see, InfinTransform1 object has been called, and there's just a single line that prints out the name of the object. Let me do something to it. I know that there are pickle files in this directory that I've chosen, so I'm going to load that pickle file into a pandas data frame. Import pandas as PD, and then here what I will do is say dframe equals pd.read pickle file name. Once I've read that, I'm just going to print the shape of it. You can do other processing at this point, of course. Shape of data frame is, and then string of dframe dot shape. Okay, now let's save and let's run it and see what happens. At this point, it says running transform, InfinTransform1 object, 1 files in temp, execution of global statics is complete, and InfinTransform1 object entered, file name is /temp/temp something something /all articles.pickle, output directory is /temp/temp something something. What's happened here is that the object in that chosen storage was downloaded from the cloud object store into the local machine and stored in /temp some directory and offered to the InfinTransform1 object. When the one object function was called, I read it using pandas data frame read pickle. Now that I know that this function does what I want it to do, I can capture it by highlighting that cell and saying capture. I need to enter a transform name. I'll say test delete later and I hit OK. Now when it captures this particular transform, it's going to transform it captured while eliminating all extraneous code. The capture is done. Now if I go to browse, I can see my test delete later transform has been captured. I can now use this transform in any other environment.